Come with me to tour Schenectady for the weekend as Miss New York. I was so grateful for the train ride from New York City to Schenectady because it gave me time to do a full face of makeup, and then I was ready to go when we got to Schenectady. I loved my suite at the Landing Hotel, and ever the queen of the quick change, I was ready for my first event. I had a beautiful dinner at Daley's on Yates and met the owners. They were so much fun. And then just 5 minutes away was Proctor Theater. Built in 1926, this incredible theater is this really beautiful testament to how much Schenectady has devoted itself to preserving history. Did you know Schenectady is home to New York State's first ever historic district with the largest collection of pre-Revolutionary War buildings in the country, housed in a former military armory? I got to experience the immersive Van Gogh exhibit, which is currently in Schenectady. Not only do you get to learn more about the artist that was Van Gogh, but you get to see his paintings come to life. This is here for a limited time, so you can visit Discover Schenectady's website for more information on getting tickets. I got to spend some time with some really incredible women in the community, and I also got to eat some really incredible food. This is Ambition in Schenectady. They have award-winning pastries and just charm to boot. I got to do some Christmas shopping. If you're looking to support small business this season, look no further than Schenectady. There's almost no chain stores or restaurants in town. Bravo, Schenectady, for your preservation of history and community. And to think I got to experience all of this by just hopping on a train.